Hello everyone, my name's Natasha Clarke and I'm just popping by to let you know that coming up this Sunday I'm offering a class on one of the most important relationships that we will probably ever have in our whole lives, and that is our relationship with food. So myself and a fellow herbalist, Anna Matriotti, will be talking all about emotional eating, because food can become such a complex and convoluted relationship and can often feel toxic and can often feel heavy and can often feel like it takes up way too much focus than feels healthy. And so we're super excited to be sharing some tips and techniques and also some of our favorite herbs that we use to transform this relationship into one that feels vital and satisfying. We're going to be presenting it on a website, kalolife.com, a nexus for traditional healing modalities, and there'll be information below about how to sign up. It'll be happening this Sunday, January the 30th at 9:30 a.m. and I will be excited to have you come and join us for the conversation.